You are going to love the 2007 Ridgeline. The Ridgeline was designed to give you exactly what you need to get the job done. And with Honda quality built right in, this truck can be with you for the long haul. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, towing package, tow hitch, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.